looking for the right place to relax and loosen up? Norseman Beach Resort offers a cozy environment, isolated from the stress and noise of daily crowded places. Norseman Beach Resort is a comfortable and spacious oceanside with exclusive and private hotel rooms. Norseman Beach Resort also offers venue rental pavilion where you can have fun playing games of darts and billiards. Take a leisurely walk in their garden beachfront and enjoy the moment your toes hit the sun while listening to the sound of waves. Norseman Beach Resort caters to all sorts of events like weddings, baptismal, debut, anniversary, reunion, and other special occasions. Norseman Beach Resort serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sing along with the live band every Tuesday to Sunday at 5 p.m. For reservation, call 0999-199-4791. Norseman Beach Resort, Baywalk Bunlag, Binmaley, Pangasinan.